You know, I never wanted to say this, but I'm like, okay, let me say it, regardless of what anybody would think about it or how people can perceive it. I'm like, it doesn't matter. I still have to say it. Few days ago, I had a very terrible accident. This accident really damaged my Mercedes. Moto na Nigeria. The car really is beyond repair. So I was trying to see. I was trying to see if I can post the car. I should not post it. But the reason why I'm making this video is to tell you, for those of you that don't believe in vision and don't believe in prophecy, please try and be believing in it. A week before this accident took place, a woman of God that met me on Facebook called me. That day I was on live program. Yeah, born a messenger, one of my admin. The admin. Now reached out to me. Now about life and death. Now Biko reached out to me. Not very, very important. So my admin came to me and talked to me. Yes, and the woman she know something about me because I don't take prophecy on granted. I will also pray over it. So the woman told me how long that she has been following me, that she hardly comment, that she don't get involved in all this. But liar this thing twice. Not God aware that I don't know who this thing he memo. Don't get me in effect, including her. So she decided to reach out. Even consistently called my page, left series of messages before my admin reach out to me. Now the owner and actually I don't release my number because of this kind of dice situation that I'm facing. Yes, not very important. Now I know second I wonder name her. That since only follow that she's not even a fan. But she's not even, but God consistently. Why? Even to an extent, they believe she like physical. The woman mentioned the kind of car I drive because I always keep my car out of social media. In Cape Romania, this woman mentioned my car, mentioned the color of my car, mentioned how my car looks like. Mentioned the 3 last number of my car. She mentioned all these things. Yeah, na enwere with accident. How one accident and Ogechi. Na much like she made 3 days midnight. Ni ihe obula esendere that will take my life. That I should pray over it. That I should not take this thing for granted. Na ege bekora me ekpere. E watara. Mashi, okay, no problem. That day, I came back. I said, okay, I did the prayer. I did the 3 days midnight. After mentioning week yet, I closed this prayer, I think Friday. Yeah, I think Monday or Tuesday, kadati nime. Me brew my car peacefully. Shema gagori utam japo gagori. Ma puta. Now, that's, I don't want to mention the junction. Him who car from nowhere. Whoa! Piamotum. And the thank God on him no nime motor. Because my cousin was driving his little car behind me. Because they wanted to say, okay, can we channel not me is nanny? I want to be, because sometimes I feel like driving myself. I feel like, having that moment in my car, doing my thing. When the motor is from nowhere, motor beyond repair. And whom I may say this is beyond recognition. Omere gearbox affects omere engine. That's she get happy. May say this is hardly get that kind of accident. Even when people are back on 18, thank God all night, a lot of people did not recognize me. I'm just from like this nature for my own turn to pass. They shit from nowhere. Bam! My motor. My cousin I will post the car. I will post it. So the reason why I'm mega this thing, when I don't take anything for granted, the enemies are fighting to and nail. If they cannot get you, they will send higher killer. If they don't send higher killer, they will send accidents. They don't send accidents. I don't know what is protecting you. And the prayers of your mother, every mama God in do not work on it. Mama roll and roll. A month ago, I'm be careful with accident. Now be careful with accidents. Masha no problem. Yes, I get 18 money. Ozi get that woman a baby abamu. She will just with it. Na usually repeatedly, man, I know onya the God importance. That she's not a fan. That him no me follow me no na me water am. But now me promise na God love from love so saranala. Because now who boy udi borderness of my message before. Oji tiri boom 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 bia. Emanda man and the church and I like Charlie's auto and thing. But actually God decide who to love and who to hate. I think I'm the choosing one. The widows do protect me. Akra me for a long time ago. Akra me for my mother always sustain me. I don't know the relationship with your mother. But if you know how bruga for 9 months, the connection are too much. I will post down my car. So Buriaga na panebiting shop. Panebite runga shina gearbox man affect, engine man affect a lot of things that na addition I got not long as I will pass. I will post it. But I wagin na mu machine motor ahopota, you will not believe it. Kakare no Ogechi but this thing we have send it. Somebody no me kuku like this send the other one accident no Ogechi. And when you want to get metemo, you know na nkete. You back to sender. So my fans, I want to use this opportunity to thank you all for your prayers. Your consistent prayers are working for me. What did Nani? And when who didn't that one in here, I'm woman, I'm going to make lots to tell you guys what I've been to. And we bulls on there to make a weapon shima. But I thank God for my life. I thank God I made it alive. Moto, Apanyazotra. Apamoto, I need to replace him. I know it's an expensive car, but thank God that I made it alive. My Mercedes is beyond recognition. Mercedes is an accident in that she got all. That man here will automatically send. Automatically, car who can fuck and do. When you can go send the other chia. I am but I'm there on Facebook now watching. Oh, guy here. Academendo. Nothing. Nani yama to don't work, but I'm shaking off from Mofu. Ntarada garlic. And that's it. Ma be a woman file alone. Nchi US with it. This painkiller. Nchi from US. Oh, ya come now, those days. Oh, ya come now from how many days now? And I'm beginning to get because one resident Adika has no barrier man all this thing here relieve home right away. And I'm a but when I this style alone, always pain reliever. And I'm during my period, only release a cramp, pain cramp and all that. But when I have a pain reliever, they are extra strength as the minifan. Extra strength. Yeah, what they know here, please try to. Oh, him, I didn't have to take him, my period. I found out from Mofu. You know who I'm I'm not on my period, but people tell me because of that pain in me. I'm a way tiga in my closet. I'm just working here, madam or grandpa or young man or old man or young boys, whoever you are that sent accidents to Kwame Ogechi. Don't be a victim of back to sender. Today. You guys should not fight. You guys should stop fighting. So my followers, I don't want to prolong this video that much. Ogechi made it alive. Nani gone on my Mercedes, which is okay, which it can be replaced. As far as my Mercedes will be replaced. Thank you all for listening. Keep putting me in your prayers. Keep asking God for my protection. Thank you all. Even one of my followers sent me 200,000 emergency CEO. I was did you tell this woman that woman accident? Because it's like coincidence. It's in Daramia yesterday. Now, even yesterday when I was running program, one of my admin, because that's my follower. Sorry, that's my admin. Did you discuss? No, send the area payment slip. Even after this video, I may post you under this comment section. Yes, send around the 200,000. My Juma yesterday made a live program. Ashamba, na spirit here led her to send it to me. Thank you so much. So thank you all. Just keep putting me in your prayers. I appreciate it. May God bless you all. Thank you.